go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Jules et Mad. This is a first on the channel. I absolutely love. I've been doing a lot of that this year, which is good. This is what you want to see. And this is a brand, honestly, if you're asking me about the brand, crickets. I got nothing for you. Never sampled. I have heard of the brand. I saw them. I know that they're obviously a niche brand, and I know that they are quite expensive. I think they were around $300, give or take, for a bottle, and I think they were 50 mils. That's as much as my knowledge on Jules et Mad. This one called Amour de Palazzo. It's an Extrait de Parfum, which I see here. So it's an Extrait, and it's only a 20 mil. Oh, this thing's going to be tiny. And I was like, is there even a bottle in here? This is very light. So this is going to be true blue first impression. And I love these, right? First impression of a brand, not only the scent, but the brand. So Amour, you better be good. Now, before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, much appreciated. All the support, much love to the fragrance community, especially the ones that are already subscribed to me and hit that like button. I love you. So let's take a look at the note breakdown. Let's delve into this one. And what I see is, I see a lot of spices up top: pepper, clove, nutmeg. We got some interesting note breakdown. We got violet, cedar, leather, patchouli, labdanum, oud, amber, papyrus, castoreum. Oh, castoreum. Castoreum is present in the note breakdown. Now, castoreum, it's 50-50, right? It's in the note breakdown. Sometimes you smell it, sometimes you don't. Most of the time you don't. So let's get into it. This was released in 2012, so she's old. 12 years in. Nose, Dorothy Piot. Let's unbox this thing, and it is literally a pen. This is tiny. Wow. And this is a Fragflex returned product. Looks like the person did one spray. No guff, like they might not even have sprayed this. This thing is light on the trigger. Like you can tell when somebody sprays one or two in here, the line goes down. But this is, it's a nice presentation for 20 mil. Like, what am I supposed to decant here? I'm not going to get much out of this. Yeah, this is and this is great for frag heads that, like myself, you know, you got all these fragrances, and perhaps just getting something like this is just good enough. I prefer 30 mils. I get a little greedy, get me that extra 10. I don't know why they settled on 20, yeah, good enough. Does it stand? Yeah, it stands on itself. Let's delve into it. Let's put it on strip first, and then we'll put it on skin. Atomizer, not bad for a little tiny atomizer like that. You can't complain with that. Let's sniff this out. First impression of Jules et Mad. Ooh. Ooh, this is a problem. This is really good. This is really good. This is surprising. I feel like going back on YouTube and just seeing who reviewed this stuff. Like, did this receive a hype? How did I miss out on this? This is good. All right, so what do I get? Well, it hits me initially with spices. And if I had to give you colors, it would be brown. Nutmeg, clove, yeah, brown would be the color on here. Very spicy. Nutmeg and cloves are primary on here. They're central. There's a little bit of that black pepper, just enough to give it some bite. I'm going to do these sprays, and this bottle will be halfway done. No, I put a little bit of intent into it. There's not going to be much to decant after this. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, this is really, like, what a really good first impression. Yeah, when a scent comes out, a brand comes out like this out of the gates, It's impressive. It's well built, first and foremost. Like, you can smell the quality in this. Now, it's spicy. There's a lot of facets where it's extremely well balanced as a scent profile, well constructed. So I'm getting woods, I'm getting greens, I'm getting balsams. I really love the spicy interaction in here. I'm getting them all, but they're really playing well. Like, is this a Rapillon fragrance? Because the spice blending in this is just as good as anything Rapillon has done. It really gives you those ups and downs, peaks and valleys, textures of the spices, but it blends and the interaction of the notes, like, extremely perfect for this upcoming fall. Beautiful. There's light brush strokes of woods, which could be an oud. There is light brush strokes of leather in here. I can smell a little bit of it. So it's not big, smoky, robust leather, but there's a leather in here, not suede, leather. Warm. Chocolatey patchouli as well. So, and you know what? There's a little bit of that. You know, it kind of reminds me, it doesn't remind me of the scent in Scent Profile, so don't quote me on this, but it reminds me of Musc Ravageur in Build. Now you might be saying, oh, clove and clove. No, 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 don't do that. This does not smell like Musc Ravageur, but it has the warming qualities. It has the comforting qualities. It has a little bit of that animalic, little bit of fun there, there's a little pinch of the castoreum. I can smell it in here, but it's just a small little grain of castoreum. Really good scent. Yeah. And it doesn't take long for a guy like me and a lot of fragrance reviewers that you watch, especially the ones that are truthful and are good and have smelled thousands of fragrances. It doesn't take us long to go, oh, snap, right? This is a serious perfume. This is serious. This is good. Is it anything new? No. But I like, oh, I like the way it's built. Those spices, that clove and that nutmeg, oh, they play so well together, and that woody facet is just mild, but it's there. Green aspects. The leathery aspect, yeah, this is good. You giving me 20 mils of this stuff, Frag Flex. What are you doing? What are you doing? Give me the big bottle. This is good stuff. Yeah. Well, so as a reviewer and a fellow fragrance head, yeah, videos like this, I love these. This is, you know, totally worth it of just doing videos on this whole Fragflex haul and kind of sniffing them out and making videos, because if I just did I'm just going to decant this and just be like a little worker and not really care. No, I love taking time with scents. You know, this just gives me that little bit of time. And as a fragrance reviewer, especially the way I'm doing it now, is that I'm going back to back to back and unboxing these so I can decant them. A little rushed, but these videos with you, this camera right in front of me, gives me that little space of time to just sit and enjoy the scent, or not enjoy the scent. Royal Crown, I'm looking at you. This is good. So anybody that has not heard of this brand, or has heard of this brand, kind of like me, and just went, there's too many brands out there, 100%. This is, like, this totally puts this brand on the radar for me now. Now I'm going to go dig into the crates. And this is where you guys come into play. You probably have heard of this brand. You might have even have a bottle of this and you'd be like, Mark, where have you been? This, released in 2012. Where was I in 2012? I was a fragrance reviewer. That I know. This is good. Now this comes from flagfix.com. I'm going to go check out their website, see if they got the big bottle of this. But you can find this at fragflex.com. They must have it, at least these little 20 mils. I want to see how much those are. And you can use my code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide, so you don't have to just get this. But yeah, I'm going to go and do my thing on the computer and just see this line as a lineup. What are the standouts? This could be the standout, and that's it. Or there could be several great ones. And then you know me, I sample, so we'll see. Now that you heard my take, I love, and this is where you guys come in. Like, this is a brand new to me. I'm excited about this new release to my nose. You know, it's not new, it's 2012. I really want to hear your feedback. Have you smelt this? Good, bad, and the ugly. Like, you can totally trash this in the comments. That's okay. Let me know what you get out of this. Now, if you have smelt this brand, you have tons of experience with this brand, please send me a couple in the comments there. Say, you got to sniff this one, this one, this one. I love that. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. That one has. Again, first impressions ain't everything, but there's something. Yeah. And this one made a lasting impression with me because now I'm going to be checking out the brand. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.